Imagine you're outside on a beautiful sunny day. And then, hey, who turned off the lights? What's going on? It's a solar eclipse. During a solar eclipse, the moon blocks the sun. This makes the sky as dark as if it were nighttime. Here's what you need to know about solar eclipses. A solar eclipse happens when the sun, the moon, and Earth line up. The moon orbits, or circles Earth. Sometimes as the moon travels around our planet, it passes between Earth and the sun, and the three objects align. That's when you'll see an eclipse. There are three types of solar eclipses. A total eclipse happens when the moon's orbit brings it closer to Earth. This causes the moon to appear as large as the sun in the sky. The moon blocks the sun completely. When the moon is farther from our planet, it appears smaller in the sky and can't block the entire sun. This causes a bright ring of fire to shine around the moon's edges. This is an annular eclipse. If the moon is slightly too high or too low in the sky, it will block only part of the sun. This is called a partial eclipse. A total solar eclipse causes animals to act strangely. During a total eclipse, the sky is completely dark for several minutes. Birds stop singing. Spiders take down their webs. Bats wake up and come out to hunt. Other animals think it's time for bed. Total solar eclipses are rare. A total solar eclipse only occurs about every year and a half. That's because the sun, the moon, and Earth rarely align in just the right way. To see one, you also need to be in the right place at the right time. During a total eclipse, the moon casts a 93-mile-wide shadow on Earth. Only people inside the shadow's path will be able to see a total eclipse. If you miss it in your neighborhood, it might take another 375 years before one appears in that place again. Never look directly at the sun, even during a solar eclipse. To view a solar eclipse safely, you must wear special eclipse viewing glasses. They are made with filters that block the sun's harmful rays, which could damage your eyes. If you don't have glasses, you can still watch the eclipse without looking directly at it. You just need to make a paper or cardboard viewer. Now you've learned everything you need to know to enjoy these spectacular shows in the sky.